Nagdadabog na Grab drivers pag traffic. Anybody encounter something like this? I don't wanna go and dehumanize a driver who's simply expressing their emotions. At the same time, them being professionals, I think they are expected to perform above and beyond average human reactions. And I think in situations like this, kailangan meron din silang professional reactions. Part of the job. Don't get me wrong, like many of the complaints that we have when it comes to taxi services, let us not forget na marami ring times na nakakamangha yung pagmamaneho ng mga driver na under circumstances, kung ako yung nagda-drive, I would have shown emotion. May mga times na minsan nakikita ko kinakat sila ng motor or sobrang traffic, they're just chill. So let's not forget that for every nagdadabog na driver, kapag traffic, we have more drivers who are acting very professionally.